Designing a lead gen survey. Hey there, everybody. Surveys are a good way to generate email leads because they're unobtrusive and they give prospects the choice to participate in exchange for their email address at the end. That's why in this lesson, we're going to show you how to easily design a lead generation survey that you can add to your site. Getting started. There are plenty of marketing platforms and customer feedback tools out there that let you design and set up nice lead gen surveys. But we found that most email marketing platforms also allow you to, easily and quickly. To walk you through this lesson, we're going to show you how to design a lead gen survey using our MailChimp account. Yet, if you're using a different tool, we invite you to check whether it has built-in survey features. Okay, so let's get started. Ready? Awesome. First, let's click on Create Campaign. Next, let's click on the Survey option in the new window. Now you're going to click on the Select an Audience menu button to select the audience where you'll collect the leads that submit the survey. Then click on Begin. Designing the survey. All right, folks. Now it is time to start designing your lead gen survey. What you'll do is basically add your survey questions and an email submit form to the survey, and then customize the survey form. For this, click on the Add Questions button. Here you will start by clicking on Add a Question. As you can see, there are several question formats you can use, including radio buttons, checkboxes, score from 0 to 10, and open text. Our recommendation here is for you to add simple, closed questions that allows participants to fill it in quickly. This will reduce the time it would take for them to reconsider submitting their email if they get distracted with something else, or if they simply decide that the survey is too long. This will depend on what you're going to ask participants about. In general, it is best to do entertaining surveys about pain points shared by members of your target audience. For example, the first question we'll add here is a checkbox question where we give participants the option to choose one of multiple items. This gives the participant a sense of progression, which is also a great motivator to complete the survey until they submit their email. Here you can switch the required lever to make it a required question, but consider that not all participants will want or will know how to answer certain questions, so only enable this option if necessary. Let's now click on Add a Question to add another question. This time, we're going to add a range question, where the participant will have the option to select a score from 0 to 10 to evaluate the question. Here you can also customize the low range label and the high range label. Let's now click on Add a Question once again to include a last question to this survey. This time, we're going to pick a radio button question with 3 options. We're also going to switch the Other option, so participants have that option too. Once you are done adding your questions, you're going to add the email submit field. For this, click on Add a Question, and then click on Email. What you'll do now is type a call to action into this text field to encourage the participant to submit their email. In this example, we're going to ask the user to enter their email so we can send them personalized information according to their answers. Now you are going to switch the required lever button to make the email submit field a required field. You can also enable the Ask to Subscribe option to add a subscription confirmation checkbox. Alright, now that you've completed the survey, click on the Design tab to customize the survey form page. Start by clicking on the Branding tab. Then enable the Include Logo option to add or change the logo. Now enter a description of the survey into the description field. Now click on the Custom Messaging tab. Here you are going to enter your survey submit button text into the Submit button label field. Then a confirmation message to show participants after they submit the survey into the confirmation message field. And then a message to show users that close the survey into the closed survey message field. Additionally, you can click on the Styles tab to customize the background color, button color, and button text color. Now all you have to do is to click on Save and Close. Publishing and sharing the survey. Finally, you're going to publish this survey by switching the Turn On lever button. Now your survey is live. Awesome! All you have to do now is to click on Copy Survey URL, so you can insert it on your site or share it anywhere else. You can also use the share shortcuts below to share your survey by email or social media. And this is it. You can keep creating more surveys like this one for clients or for your other websites and start generating leads like crazy.